Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Crypto. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Ethereum on Paxful. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Tap open your Paxful application from the app drawer and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, from the main homepage of Paxful, tap on the wallet option at the bottom. Select Ethereum and tap on the buy option right beneath Ethereum, and you'll be provided with the offers list for the particular cryptocurrency you are trying to purchase. Go ahead and select any offer and enter the amount of money you are willing to spend in order to buy Ethereum in the first text box. Once you type in your amount, on the next field where it says receive, you'll be able to see the amount of Ethereum you will receive if you spend this sum of money. Now, tap on the Buy Now button at the bottom of the page and you'll be able to buy Ethereum or purchase Ethereum on Paxful. Pretty simple, isn't it? I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.